Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring one of the most exciting innovations in the world of finance. Yes, Unified Payments Interface, or commonly known as UPI. Whether paying for your morning coffee or splitting the bill with friends, UPI has probably made your life a lot easier. So let's break down what UPI is, how it works, and why it's such a game changer. So, what exactly is UPI? Developed by the National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI, UPI is a digital payment system that allows you to link multiple bank accounts to a single mobile application. This means you can make payments, transfer money, and even check your account balance from your phone. Let's look at the key features of UPI. UPI transactions are processed in real time, so money moves instantly from one account to the other. UPI services are available 24/7, so you can send or receive money anytime. UPI apps are user-friendly and make financial transactions as simple as sending a text message. So UPI uses a multi-layered security protocol, including a PIN, also known as personal identification number, to ensure that your transactions are safe and secure. You can link multiple bank accounts to a single UPI ID, making it convenient to manage finances from different banks. Now let's talk about the benefits of using UPI. It is convenient, no more tangible cash or writing checks. With UPI, everything is done on your smartphone. Just a few clicks and you're done. UPI offers a cost-effective process. UPI transactions are usually free or come with minimal charges, saving you from hefty bank fees. It provides seamless integration. UPIs can be integrated with various services like bill payments, online shopping, and even government services, making it a one-stop solution for all your payment needs. UPI is accessible to anyone with a smartphone and a bank account, including people in rural areas who might not have easy access to traditional banking. Online funds are transferred instantly, so you don't have to wait for days to complete transactions or clear payments. So, how does UPI work? Let's break it down. Download a UPI-enabled app from your bank or a third-party provider. Register with your mobile number and link it to your bank account. You will create a UPI ID, which is like your digital payment address. Then, for added security, set up a UPI PIN. This is a 4 to 6-digit number you will use to authorize transactions. To make a payment, just enter the recipient's UPI ID or scan their QR code. Enter the amount and your UPI PIN to authorize the transaction. When someone sends you money, it's instantly credited to your bank account. You will get a notification on your phone and you can check the details right away. So let's conclude. UPI is transforming the way we handle money in making payments faster, easier, and more secure. UPI can encourage low-cost, high-volume payments by streamlining transaction costs across banks. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day ahead.